Hi, this is John with One Lens 2, and today I'd like to show you a freight train that runs right down the middle of Main Street in Kentucky, right here in the US of A. Back in the day, freight trains ran down the center of Main Street here in Grange, a small city located about 30 minutes northeast of Louisville. Can you imagine what it was like to see a freight train sharing the road with cars and pedestrians? Oh wait, I took this video just a few months ago. Believe it or not, you can still see trains running through the center of town today. It's simply amazing to watch a massive freight train rolling through the heart of the town's business district. Even standing safely on the sidewalk, the train is just a few feet away. Grange is about a half-hour drive from downtown Louisville, and it's about an hour and 15-minute drive from both Cincinnati and Lexington. For rail fans in those areas, I think you'll find that it's definitely worth the drive. While I was traveling in the northern Ohio area, I drove an hour and a half to LaGrange, and I'm glad I made the trip. LaGrange is a really nice place to watch trains. You can sit on one of the benches along the sidewalk, or relax in a coffee shop or a restaurant, or even do some shopping while you wait for a train to come by. I imagine that even people who aren't particularly interested in trains will enjoy spending some time here, so your friends and family might actually come along to this rail fanning location. Just keep in mind that Sunday afternoon might not be the best time to watch trains in LaGrange. That's when I was there, and many of the businesses along Main Street were closed. I've read that about 25 trains roll down Main Street in any 24-hour period. That averages out to about one train each hour, but the time between trains can vary. It could be an hour or more between trains, so having the shops and restaurants around makes for a nice day of train watching. There's even a train museum nearby. I waited for about an hour and a half to see this train. And here comes the mid-train distributed power unit. To get a different perspective, you can also watch trains from the two-story train observation tower just up the street about 200 yards. If you're watching a long train, you could probably start watching it here and then walk up the road to watch the rest of the train from the observation tower. They say that the lead locomotives come down the street at about 10 miles an hour. But once the engines clear Main Street, the train appears to speed up a little. If you compare the speed of these rail cars to those on the front of the train, you'll see that these are moving faster. And here comes the end of the train. There were 4 engines and about 180 rail cars on that train. I'm not a train expert, but my rough calculations put that train at over 2 miles long. Well, there you have it, a huge freight train running down the middle of Main Street. You can't see that everywhere. But I wonder what a train thundering down Main Street at full speed would look like.